WRX, you already know what's about to happen.
Oh yeah. Oh, bad downshift, bad downshift. Did you feel that understeer coming? Why are there so many suspicious looking vehiculars here?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, bad. Left foot brake coming in.
Look at that. Alley skill.
Oh, I should go down the same airport. Hopefully the POV isn't too high for you guys. I'm having to look very high right now. It's not cool. Ooh.
There are a lot of suspicious people out here.
Whoa. Ooh.
Just like that. Traffic code. So that was a pretty fun run. This car just feels like really stable.
God damn it, these guys are going slow.
Yeah, look at how much traffic there is. If you're holding up a semi, then you know you're doing something wrong.
Thanks. I'm mouth breathing because I have to.
Mouth breathing activated.
Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed it.